Assalamu alaikum. Sorry we didn't make the video of making the cake, but I'll tell you what's in the cake. We added all-purpose flour. We added unsweetened cocoa powder, baking soda, salt, unsalted butter, granulated sugar, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, vegetable oil, buttermilk, white vinegar, and red gel food coloring. And then I'm gonna show you how we make the frosting for it. So, I accidentally stopped the other video, so we have another one. But so like one of the cakes weren't even, so now my mom's cutting it so it looks even. And I finished the frosting, so we're gonna make layers. And the plan is to put one thick layer of this frosting on top of the bottom layer, and then add the second piece of cake, and then we're gonna add a thinner layer, and then we're gonna put frosting all over it, and then at the bottom and around the top we're gonna add some red sprinkles. And then with the extra frosting we're gonna add some designs on the top. Okay, so now we're gonna add some of the frosting on top.
Add more.
I know.
Good.
Just gonna add a little more.
That's
Then
enough.
I'm gonna spread it. Across all of the cake. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna add another layer, but what my mom's doing over here, she's gonna help me put the cream on. Okay, so we're gonna add a thinner layer of frosting. Can you record? Okay. Wait, not now. Not now. Recording. Okay, so we're just gonna add a thin layer of the frosting, and then we're gonna add some frosting all around, but we're just gonna fast forward and show you the results at the end. Okay, well, we finished the cake and added the sprinkles. We made a red velvet cake. Bye. Hey, never mind, we're not done. We're about to, all we have to do is add some more design frosting at the top and we're done. Yeah, just all over. Okay.
Okay, I'm decorating there.
I'm decorating the cake. Hopefully there's enough for one more swirl. Okay, perfect. Okay, we're done.
I hope you like it.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will be making a pineapple cake. Today we will be making a pineapple cake, and these are all the ingredients. We have chopped up pineapple, milk.
Okay guys, Asia, what will you be using?
We'll be using flour, instant yeast, nutmeg, vanilla.
Aluminum with what?
We're going to also be using oil, salt, sugar, and water.
Who's teaching you guys the recipe?
Yeah.
Alright, Bismillah, let's go. Pan away. Go. Okay, pan away. Okay, pan away. Pan away. Pan away. Pan away. Pan away. And then pan away. Pan away. Off. Off. Yeah.
You pause it? Okay, now we have to blend the butter up. So. Okay, oh, okay. Okay, so, and then we're gonna mix it up with the butter. We added a whole block of cream cheese, because that's what the video said. And in between, you're gonna want to clean the sides of the bowl so there's no chunks. So next we have to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. And then we also have to add we have to add 1/8 cup of salt. Oh. So we have to add a pinch of salt. So we're just gonna add just a little bit. Like this much, but you could add more if you want. Okay. And then you're gonna beat it up again. So now we're going to clean the sides, and then we're going to add 4 cups of powdered sugar to our frosting, or cream. Okay, so this is our first cup. We're going to add that in. Then we're going to mix it up, but before we mix, this is going to get everywhere. So we're just going to slowly do it with our hands first. And then once it gets in, you'll mix it. So I'm just going to fast forward and then show you the frosting after we add the rest of the cups in. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to be baking vanilla cupcakes. Inshaa Allah, we'll be baking for the competition. Bismillah, let's start. Now I'm going to be pouring the milk inside the cup. Now I am going to be pouring the eggs inside the bowl. Now I am going to be mixing it all together. Now I'm going to be pouring the vanilla extract. Now I'm going to be taking the butter and pouring it inside. Now I'm going to be mixing the mixture. Now I'm going to be sifting the flour. Now I will be sifting the sugar and the baking powder. Now I will be mixing everything together. Mommy, don't. Now we are going to be placing the paper in the out loud. Bismillah, Bismillah. Now let's check if it's right. Wow, it's okay, this one now we're taking out the cupcakes. So now we have finished making our whipped cream frosting. We have also added food coloring in it.
Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, this is the Ibrahim family. Today we're making an apple pie. It's going to be an upside down crumble apple pie. So we're starting off with our ingredients. We have 2 bags of apples. We have cinnamon, butter, eggs, brown sugar, and flour, and of course all of our tools. So first we're going to start off with washing our apples and peeling them. Our next step is to go ahead and peel the skin off. next we're going to start cutting. Oven. Now we're starting on our dry ingredients. 2 cups of flour. 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Alright, this is 1/2 cup, and now we do another 1/4 cup. Alright, we're gonna crack 2 eggs. And then we pour some cinnamon. Alright, take some coconut oil and brush it around. Now this is the crumble that we mixed up. This is what it's looking like with the crumble. Next is to put it in the oven and bake at 350 for 50 minutes.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Safia and I'm here with Hawa and my sister Maryam, and today we are going to be making pumpkin spice cake. So the first ingredient is the pumpkin puree. Okay, and so the next ingredient is brown sugar. And the next ingredient is white sugar. We're gonna sift it. And then next we have our eggs.
How about your turn?
Okay, next we have our vanilla extract. So just a heads up guys, the specific brand that we're using is this one. We have to be careful because guys, most vanilla extracts have alcohol in it, and this specific brand doesn't have alcohol. You can find it at your local store. Pause it. And then next we have our butter. And then next we are going to pour in sift our dry ingredients. And after that we are going to Next we are going to sift our spices. Okay, now we're gonna be fasting.
This is the first annual MASJID Al Farooq baking contest. We have number 1 participant, number 2, we're gonna open that soon. Number 3, we're gonna open that soon. Right now we have about 13 or 12 participants. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. Man, participant 1 got 3 entries.
Yeah, 3 entries.
That's, yeah, I thought I need some massage.
No wonder Brother Rewan saying what he's saying.
Right there.
Yeah. Okay.
These are all the same.
Yeah, those
I think he wants the strawberry upside down. Might need another knife for this one. Mine need to clean knives now, so. Okay. Yeah.
What about this?
Yeah, just clean your knife you use already. Yeah, clean it.
All right.
Yeah.
Participant 9 got two as well.
Okay.
This is I think angel food cake.
And that's a category I should have put in there. Smell.
Really good. Most of this is texture, okay? So to see.
Right. These will have to kind of cupcake. Just dive in.
Yeah.
This is beautiful. Wow.
Watch your. Don't be biased.
You're recording it.
Yeah.
Guys, just keep your stuff within.
Yeah.
I don't have to judge number, okay? All right? You know, I like the way you don't put the name over them.
Yes.
Don't be biased, just because I want to know who's who.
So it's two. It's like double layered, almost like a wedding cake.
It's a big cake.
Who is there? Okay. Open up the for Allison. You need a spoon?
I got a
Come back with your spoonful.
No, I'm helping him, you know.
Oh,
with
to
the stuff so
scoop
don't
it
fall.
to fall. Okay.
Yeah.
It's a spatula on the side there too.
Oh, yeah.
It's one, yeah. Okay. All right, come back. Can you hold the cake a little bit so the cake don't fall? Hold the base of the cake.
Oh, okay.
It's spinning.
Go right ahead.
MashaAllah.
Huge cake.
You got it. MashaAllah.
Ooh, look at that.
Allah Akbar.
Perfect.
MashaAllah. There go the other. Wait, let me make sure that went all the way down. Back here. Uh-oh. You got
Okay, I got you.
Good boy. Okay. Do some maneuvering. And MashaAllah. Ooh.
Looks heavy too.
It is.
All right.
Okay.
Time, so
Okay.
you keep the time.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
How do you do it?
But that's on. You two can taste too, but you can't judge. You can taste. This is the King Castle.
So that means today we're gonna spend all night playing basketball here, man. We're gonna eat all this cake and then.
I just sliced the piece of everything.
Yeah, take a little piece out of the yeah. Yeah.
Potato pie with coconut on top.
If you want water to wash your mouth, there's water right over there. Alhamdulillah. Yes.
I was not expecting this one to see this one with our community here.
Yeah, wallahi.
But this is professional.
It is. It is good. It is good. It is good, alhamdulillah. It is good. Uh-oh, one of the sister's phone is ringing.
Alasan came for the feast.
Yes.
Yes.
I told you.
How was this made of? Aaron?
I can put some banana.
Banana powder.
Well, they
You
got,
can
some banana.
put it right there too.
Yeah, that's banana pudding type vibe. What number is this?
5.
5 and 6.
Oh, sugar buzz, huh?
I'm a little sugar high, man.
He said, ooh.
Once I dance, something around. I don't know. This is good. MashaAllah, man. This is a solid.
They're very talented.
All right, one up for next year. One of my favorites.
Yeah, that's a fantastic idea for all the. You joke too much. Okay, ladies, kids coming now. They're not happy with you all now.
This thing in there. Because both of them is yours, right? Wow. Wait, we gotta get the kids in here. After Salah, while they're sitting down, then we can give everybody. Okay. If they start eating now, then they don't know where they put their plate. It just becomes a mess. Time for Salat. Where's yours? Right here. You wanna get a cover?
Who did the press pledges again?
Huh? She did.
On point.
What did I do?
You got no voting.
What?
Excuse me. Let me get by. 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 Let me get by.
Why nobody opening the door for us? It's when it's eat, so get ready.
Yeah, they have to share. We have the brothers too on the other side too, so they have to share. Yeah. Oh, that's you girls only? Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, and is this sister for first place?
Yeah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah. And the second place? Second place. Where's Fatima? Where's Fatima? Okay, MashaAllah. What do you have to say for coming second place?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm so thrilled. Wait, who's first place?
One of the big aunties, the first place. Yeah, alhamdulillah, mashallah. Place winner, you have anything to say?
I'm so happy that I won third place. $100 in my pocket, y'all.
Alhamdulillah. First place. First place is Aisha Bay. Please come. Second place, Yusuf, Fatima. Come on. And third place, I'm sorry, Ina, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. And now for everybody else that participated, are gonna get an envelope of $50 each. So mashallah. So Mariam Jallo, you participants. No. Mashallah. Atia Ibrahim. Mashallah. Yuma Tunkara. Maria Musa gets sister. Oh, that's her daughter. Okay, who am I missing? I'm missing one person, right? Oh, we're missing her. Okay. And where's the Jallo brothers? Their mom is here. Their mom. Aisha Jallo. All right. His mom took already. His mom took for them. You give it to your mom. Their mom took your gift. Wait. The boys, the Brian boys. They make cake. The two of them, the two brothers.
That's you and your brother.
That's you and your brothers. Okay, alhamdulillah.
That's your brother holding.
That's it? I think I got everybody. What am I missing? Alhamdulillah, Jazakallah khairan. So like we said, Salaam alaikum. like we said on the after Maghrib, everybody's a winner. Thank you so much, Jazakumullah Karen, for participating in the very first MASJID Al Farooq Bake Contest. We hope to do it again next year. Inshaa Allah. May Allah preserve us on that day. Thank you.
Thank you for your participation.
Yes, inshallah.
And some boys.
Yes, inshallah.
You all did a good job. No losers here, really.
Alhamdulillah.
Bring the community together.
Alhamdulillah.
And, really, we appreciate, we love it. The cake is mashallah.
Alhamdulillah.
It's not too sweet like everyone say, and it's perfect.
Alhamdulillah.
Good job.
Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much. All right, masalam. I am trying to lose the weight.
Today, not today.
Okay, ladies, kids coming now. They're not happy with you all now.
This thing in there. Because both of them is yours, right? Wow. Wait, we gotta get the kids in here.